The new Patterson Hall, completed in August 2021, features a beautiful dining hall, classrooms, and gathering space for the Pembroke Hill community. Some of the most remarkable elements include a stunning barrel-vaulted ceiling and 37-foot arched windows covered by unique art screens in the dining hall. In May, crews worked to install these large stainless steel art screens designed by acclaimed Dutch artist Jan Hendrix. The installation, called After Nature, offers a magnified view of a lotus leaf. Hendrix has long been fascinated with nature and used this as his inspiration.
And now I'm very much working with, as I call it, the interior architecture of nature, of leaves, structures, and that actually gives me all the material to work with. So inspired by nature in general, but very much focused on the botanical side of it.
Jan worked closely with Kansas City-based Zahner, which manufactured the stainless steel screens. The challenge was to capture the artist's vision for the piece while also reducing glare and reflecting light into the dining hall.
Here we take inspiration from an artist and we put it into a very technical setting and kind of bring it out, but we cannot lose the inspiration from the artist. You know, the piece is made from machinery and lasers and everything else, but it still possesses that beauty, and that's where the artistic aspect interplays with our work. It's one type, it's all stainless, but one finish on one surface, one finish on an inner surface, and then the other finish. So it's actually the interplay of light. And the remarkable aspect that working with Jan on this is the edges. When the light hits it at all different times of the day, the edge is going to change. And as you move around, it's going to change. And that's the beauty of using this particular material.
The windows are a focal point for the Building Together project and serve as a reminder of the importance of growth in students and the larger Pembroke Hill community. For more information about the Building Together project and Patterson Hall, please visit pembrokehill.org/buildingtogether.